Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I've been asked to create a comparison video of the free sizes square mini, small, and the medium flap, and it just took me absolutely ages to do that, but here I am today and I'm gonna compare this with you. I really like the size square mini now, and it looks amazing with anything. I like to wear it with jeans and a shirt. It just elevates every outfit and it looks amazing with jeans. The blue color is perfect. And I wear it with different tops, different styles. I can also wear it with sweaters and it looks so nice, and it's just so simple to style an outfit with this bag. I really love it. Maybe I should get more square mini flaps. Small size is also great. I have this pink flap and I did a separate video about it, and I will also compare it with this medium flap in the red color. I also did a video about it. I will link down all three videos, unboxing of this bag, medium and a small flap, so you can check them out. By the way, if you like my content, please consider subscribing and follow me on Instagram and let me know if you have any questions. So I will just put my glasses in the soft case, Mio Mio glasses. There's plenty of space. I can fit in quite a lot in this bag. You will see. Followed by my card holder. I use this card holder all the time. I will also link down the unboxing video of this one below in case you want to check it out. Unboxing and a review video. So just put it in. There's still space. Actually, the other day my friend was so surprised how much I can put inside. I will also put this lipstick. I have recently reviewed it in my previous video, followed by my blusher. By the way, you guys always ask me how come I'm never showing you how my phone can fit in my bag. The thing is, I'm recording my video with my phone, so I can't really show you, but my phone definitely fits in this bag, in this particular bag. And I have iPhone XS Plus. I don't know if I can fit in my wristband here. I don't know if it will close. And I'll try to put my hand sanitizer. Let's see. No, it doesn't fit. The square mini is not that big, but it still can fit quite a lot. I have to remove the wristband. Okay, I think now I can definitely close it. It's a bit tight, but it's okay. The square mini size is so cute. I really like it. By the way, guys, I will show you how these bags look on me as well, so please stay tuned. Moving on to the small flap size. I really love this color. It's so vibrant and so unique. I'm so happy I got it. I will put the same items. I will start with the glasses. I always have to put them first. Still plenty of space. Followed by my card holder, which always goes second, always. Followed by my powder. By the way, if I want to fit in my phone, I would have to remove that powder. Followed by my lipstick. My favorite lipstick nowadays. I really like it. I like the color and how long it lasts. It's amazing. The small flap is quite spacious. I really like it. I can also fit in more items. My hand sanitizer. No problem at all. And my wristband comes in nicely. I'm still able to close this bag. It's a bit tight. It's not as uncomfortable, but still, I have to be careful when opening it, and you can see it's really full. By the way, what texture do you prefer? Do you prefer caviar or lambskin? Many people that I know actually prefer caviar. And I prefer caviar because it's durable, but lambskin just feels so nice. It's a lot more delicate, but yeah, it just feels more luxurious when you touch it. Moving on to the medium size, which is my favorite. I have so many medium flaps in my collection. I will do a video about my entire handbag collection, or maybe I should focus on Chanel flaps. I'll think about it, but I will do it soon. I promise. So let's begin. I'll put in my Mio Mio glasses again. This bag is a lot more roomy, followed by my card holder. And my powder comes in nicely. And there is a lot of space. That's why I prefer to use medium flaps when traveling. I usually have to carry my passport, my husband's passport, boarding passes, all the items, hand sanitizer, like this one, of course. So medium flap is just perfect for that. Also, I will put the same lipstick on top. And also my wristband, I also have to carry it, especially when traveling, to protect my Cartier Love bracelet. So you can see there is quite a lot of space and I can close it. It's a lot more roomy. I could still fit in a lot more items, but I don't really have to. I really like these two colors, so pretty. You can see how the small square mini looks next to the medium flap. I will compare them side by side. I'm thinking I would really like to add another square mini in some bright color to my current collection. I really like the size. I like the chain length, which I will demonstrate. I will start with my square mini. You can see how it looks on me. By the way, my height is 5.7 and I'm wearing heels right now. So you can see it's just on my hip. And I like to wear it on my shoulder, crossbody. That's pretty much two ways to wear it for me. I really like it. Moving on to the medium size, which is a lot more versatile. I like to wear it crossbody. I mostly wear it crossbody or on my shoulder. It's so comfortable. And I love the shade of red. It looks really bright red right now because of the light. I will show you two other ways how to carry this bag. I think this size is so versatile. I would put the strap inside to make it shorter, and I actually have some paper inside. So just like that, put it in and close, and you can carry it in your hands. How cool is that? I wear my bags like that quite often, or I would carry it as the clutch, which is so great. You get one bag and there are like 4 different ways you can carry it. It's amazing. It's so versatile, and it can really fit quite a lot of the items. That's why I have most of my bags in this size. Moving on to the small size. So you can see the strap is shorter, but I still like it. It's quite cute, and I like to wear this bag crossbody too. Even though the strap is shorter, it still looks pretty cool. I like it. I know it's not for everyone, but I think it's my style and I like to carry it this way. And you can also put the straps inside because there are 2 flaps. It's a double flap bag, which is perfect. And they won't move around, they will be fixed. You have to have more items in the bag and the straps will not move. And I carry my bags like that quite often. I never had any damage whatsoever. I've been carrying my bags for 2 years, my 2 other bags, and it's totally fine. So you can compare the size medium and small again, side by side. I did another video where I was comparing them very closely, just different colors, Tiffany blue and iridescent pink. You can see the straps. The pink one is definitely shorter. You can see how it looks on me. You guys asked me to show it last time, and you can see how much longer is the square mini versus the medium flap. I like all of the sizes. All are great for different purposes depending on your personal preference, your height, what you're gonna use it for. I was considering getting rectangular mini. I'm still thinking about it. The only reason why I haven't bought it yet is because of the chain. The chain is pretty long. It's longer than the square mini. And when I wear my bags crossbody, I like them to be higher, just like how I showed you before. I don't like to wear it on my hip or below my hip. I find it uncomfortable. But that's just me. Maybe I'm simply no longer used to it. Maybe I will change my mind eventually. Let's see. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you like this video. Please let me know which bag do you prefer, and do feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.